Should I delete these icons now? Or maybe just put them in a folder. Well, waiting for the green light. AMA. You just say AMA. So welcome back, everyone. Today I tried to sleep, or yesterday at 11 p.m. and I slept around 12 and woke up at 2 a.m. after just 2 hours and couldn't sleep. So at 6 a.m. I was like, screw it, if I cannot sleep, let's work, and I worked around an hour, but on design and crap, so it's not count as daily code work. So how about to start working on the stupid thing? So the stupid game doesn't work. Well, yesterday I fixed some, not fixed, I figured out some issues why the main campaign doesn't save and why the hell the game crashes. I didn't change the game file name, so it was loading a wrong file and it was skipping the code and crash. So yeah, this one was the generic game file. Anyhow, I will try to work 4 hours at least of coding, because I'm starting to communicate with other people. It takes some time, and the time became less and less every day. So how about to start the stupid timers? Oh, I forgot to start the timer of the. Never mind that one. Let's make it as 120. It's the freezer timer for the iced tea. I forgot to run it. Alright. I believe it should. I just say, yeah, let me. So I will start the work timer. So when we run the game, it will crash because I'm missing some scripts to load the main menu. So the follower, even though he says the map is the main menu, so what's the problem? What's the problem, boy? What's the problem? The problem is we didn't load the map. So if we go here, the problem, well, actually each game have its own thing. The campaigns. So we made a trick to make the map in the game engine and load it by a script. So if I run this thing and load to you the test game, you will see in the tag it load a special map that's outside the campaign. We don't need to do that because in our game we have something called, oh, I need now to load a different one. Let's just the load thing too. So in our case we have a base games, which is the base campaign for this thing, so we don't need to make to go around this problem. We could make the main menu in here and load it in here. To load it in here, we go to the script wizard, oh boy, and we go to the campaign, and here in the start we need to make a group for the maps groups. We could load it without map groups, but let's make a map groups. And where is the map groups? Here. So let's call it main G. And let's see how powerful is my stupid tag builder. Not language setting, tag builder. And in the campaign, we are loading a map group. So the group ID is this one. Is local 2, is encrypted false for now. And that. Let's take a look. So we need to move the campaign from here and put it in here. Replace. Let's take a look. So it should load all the maps. Oh shit, load and activate it should be. Oops. Alright. So we need to replace this one only. So let's go. Did I start the timer? Is the microphone on? Good. And still the same problem. So what's going on? Apparently we didn't activate it. What did do it? Why? No, yeah, the project is not sure how to. What's this? I'm not sure how to change its order. It's bugging me to hell. Give me a second. I immediately get fired. Okay. Load map groups and activate. Main G. Crap. Main G. Can't I see? Okay, where does this thing fire? Focus. Should fire in here. I might screw it up with this script. That's what I'm doing. Maybe there's a space needed, whatever. Wow. Oh, this is just adding the things. So it didn't trigger the activate. Didn't trigger. Because again, if we go to the test game, the campaign doesn't start immediately because it shouldn't start immediately. Each game is different animal. You see, this is the game engine test, which I was working on the last month. And this is not part of the campaign. The campaign only works when I play one of these. So we need to initialize the base campaign immediately in our game, in that game. How do we do that? Silly, it's my own game engine and I'm completely, not completely, I'm quite lost. God. This will, yeah, just initialize it. Silly you. I won't close this one because I will need it from time to time for comparison. So after delete all breakpoints before it breaks me. Okay, be awake for the God's sake. So we didn't call this one, right? We didn't, right? Just test it. We didn't, right? Say with me, yep, we didn't. Good. So I don't want to call it twice, just in case. And I want to check if something else is the issue. Mr. Program, get out. So here, after we do all initialize, do I need to initialize the joystick first? Well, it seems AlMansey Arcade. Arcade. Let's rename it. Actually, I'll name it AMA. I like the name. Frick. Actually. Frick you. Come on. I said initialize. But he kept insisting on choosing the wrong thing. Let's take a look. Oh, now we have another issue. Oops. This should not be part of the template. Can I go and change the template a little bit and return? No? Yeah, let's do that. A fourth. First of all, let's change it here, then close it here, then screw it here. So in the test game, I made only soldiers can interact with items as a faction. So to fix that, oh crap. We should target all. Oh, frick. Calm down. Creature dictionary. But this one have creatures only. I could turn them as, or consider them as, I faction. But where am I using this? Oh, need. Well, creature object is. Oh yeah. Let's try this. Oh hey, beautiful, beautiful couple. I discovered this recently while I was screwing up with something. Oh wow. These are the factions that can activate items. Well, yeah, actually this is kinda safer. So creatures that not listed in factions should not invoke and take items. Yeah, you feel it is slower because oh, it's in cube. Oh, that's so slow. Your code sucks. Actually, these works as filters more than do more loops. So it's actually faster than taking all the creatures. Oh well. Yeah, before I forget. Yeah. I'm not exporting that. Wait, where is the code? It should be. It should be in the map class. Wait, what? Wait. It's in the part of the map class. Oh crap, really? This is dangerous. I need to move it away. Yeah, it is in the map class. This is part of the engine. Careful. We need to make a generic way for it. Oh boy. Dun dun da. Do it later. So in map class, item group, update, initialize, should select or should be modified somehow. to accept different kind of modified by data driven or by the game file to select who can interact with the item group without changing the hardcore. A lot of crap to do. A lot of crap to do. What to do, what to do. Keep coding and shut up. Alright. So, I believe we have a running game finally. So, this should be the main menu. So, let's try to make it a little bit bigger. Little bit. So, isn't there a code already to change this stupid resolution? Oh boy. Oh boy. No boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh yeah, we might create different gravity based on the mini game. Do you know I still don't know how am I going to deal with mini games, how to create the data structure for them, because the game engine is I didn't design a way to deal with mini games yet. And I thought about maps and stuff, but I never thought about mini games. It's a little bit far away, so there is no data structure for them. And I'm thinking to make each map somehow have its own rules, but there is no place to save additional info for the maps, like enemy waves and waves generator. Yeah. So I need to find a way for that. For now, let's try to change the resolution for the God's sake. Why am I staring at nothing? Yeah, I start to get tired. Hooray. So we could use this one. Do we want it full screen? No, because full screen, if a debug catch an error, I won't be able to minimize it, but it will cover everything and I'll start scream and kick and curse. So let me close these guys because I'm not going to deal with them for now. Oh. How? My head hurts. I believe. Well, where is is this guy living anyway? Oh. I believe in the load content, but because look at that, isn't that what I need? But a few seconds ago it says manager. Jesus Christ. Yeah. All right. Oh, it need a graphics device manager. And how do I check it? How do I get that? I don't know. I don't know. I'm sure I used it somewhere. Oh God. No. Yeah, look at that. It's in a fucking. That's what I was afraid of. That's what I was afraid of. Oh, okay. 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 Alright. Let's make a weird thing. I thought it must be in the update function or something, yeah. So, what is a good resolution? This is a question that always been screwing with me. Fake news is a real problem. Can we turn things around? Internet Health Report, ha ha ha, get the facts. In Mozilla, only us know the facts of the real world. Everyone is a liar except us. On a game, what is a good game is a solution for desktops. So let me hear some of the crowd. On the PC or the Xbox, there's no single bus size. There's no reason to not use the native window resolution by default. And XNA, you can do this by code. Preferred back buffer. Graphics is okay. Is it what I need? I believe this is what I need. I believe this is what I need. I believe. I believe. I believe. Thunder. Crap. Hello. I'm scared. I cannot. I cannot. No, I'm scared. Oh God. But it was false. Yeah. Um. Should we? No. Don't close the project. How about we multiply it by 0.8? I'm going to screw up with this a little bit, so bear with me. So it's kind of funny. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I don't know. Well, I like it. But I like it. So based on your screen, it will give you only 80% of the size of your screen. And I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. So what's next? So it's finally running. This is the difficult part. How can I force the game to be in the middle? Yeah, in the game design, I'm trying to achieve the menu should look like this. So the map should be small enough to fit in the middle. I'm not sure how will I do that. And I have two black bars in between. When the map is small enough at least. Oh, I don't have keys to change the... Wait. The map should be small enough. How large is this map? Map resize! This is a little bit too huge. 2020. I should made it take it from the other angle. Save. Oh boy. See? That's what I'm talking about. But the problem is, I don't know what's the screen resolution for the player. So I have no freaking clue at all how to do this. Actually, I do. I need to zoom in the background if the screen is larger. But the calculation, I'm not sure of. I hate this shit. Well, I could do the same look by ignoring the map completely. What I'm trying to say, I print a huge GUI in the middle and use that calculation instead of the zoom. But no, because when I enter the minigame, I need to see the player profiles in the corner. Because this is part of the design. The player profile should still keep appearing in here. Do I need to force margin somehow? Man, why that suck at coding and game design? Yeah. Dude, to be honest, the lack of sleep start tough here. Um, Sleeping 2 hours, then sleeping 3 hours afternoon is not good for daily works. So, and I was planning to do only this part to show the blue screen of death. Didn't plan ahead what to do. I'm afraid I need to wait the artist to discuss this with and start working on the player profile. Boy, I was avoiding that for more than a week, didn't I? I mean, before I made the switch and the triggers, and I was always thinking about the player profile, but I couldn't figure out how to do it in the right way. Now I need to face it again. Oh well, I will stop the video here. Sorry about that. I was planning to work more than an hour for the video, but we had good progress. We have, excuse me, blue screen of death. That's a good progress. So see you next time after I have more progress to do.